In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uh, open up a file, sort it into sets, all of that. So first you're going to click New NC File Inch. So I always just delete these two personally. All right, we're going to load in our model. For this one, we'll go ahead and do 5893, newest model we have. All right, always click Create Automatic Set On. It makes it really useful to hide and show your full mold that you're working on. Click check. All right, it's a pretty simple mold. Yes, it does have a manifold on it, but there's no side action. It's pretty straightforward. So we're going to open up our sets, which is right here. If you just see this, go back and forth. I have it hotkeyed. I will be explaining what I'm doing. So if you don't see what I'm doing, just listen to what I say and then find it. You can also search it up here. Just say like sets, and you can find it pretty quick. So in this case, though, we're going to open this up. So you can either do new sets and you can add them individually. So if I said I wanted my manifold, so I'm going to apply, or what you can do is load in sets. So in this case, we already have sets that are established, so we can just go up here, shop data, automation templates, set templates, bring in our basic sets. All right. So in this case, I am going to go ahead and create a few more sets because I know that we do have a manifold, we do have a manifold plate, we do have an insulator plate. So then another one that I need to add in is ejector housing pillars. All right. So this little button right here is going to help you filter and unfilter colors, which makes sorting this whole mold really fast. So this button right here, so you have to select entities. So here, insulator plate, right click and move that. I'll show you when I'm using that in a minute. So right now we're just going to do entities, manifold plate, move. That's our A plate, B plate, our ejector housing, our retainer plate, and our ejector plate. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to hide all of them, all the ones that I just moved. All right. So now is when it gets into this button here. So you have to click on entity first, and I have it hotkeyed, but I'll show you first how to do it. So we'll filter by that color. You can select everything and it only selects that color. So we're going to move that into part, but now you can't select anything else until you go back in here and you click this button, which is cancel. So now I can highlight everything again. You can select up to 5 colors at once, which is really useful. So in this case, I'm going to select all these water baffles and plugs and fittings. So I have it hotkeyed, so you can see that that logo just changed. I select everything, move that to water, hide it. I'm going to unselect it. Again, it's hotkeyed. So now I'm going to do an ejector pin, select all those, move them to ejector pins, cancel that out, select the pillars, ejector housing pillars, Now this is where in the components where you can only select 5 at once. So I'm going to select those and that color. Move those into my components. I'm going to do it again. And then I'm just going to select all of this, even though these are nameplates. But now I'm going to cancel out of there one more time, select all of that, and move that into the manifold. So, and this set right here will show up when you select that create automatic temp or sets on. It'll have a set right here that looks like that you can just go back to. And especially if there's a new model release or anything like that, you can see which models are available and making sure that you are machining on the right one.